Alrighty, so let's jump into Cardano at the moment. So the last time I actually left you with the Cardano video update, I actually talked about how you're moving sideways like this and you broke out of this resistance and then you came down, you back tested that level, and right now at the moment you're really putting in a nice job to actually continue higher. So the question really is, are you gonna actually retrace for Cardano at the moment or not? So you're really breaking out of a particular resistance once again, and that is known as a, I think, right angle descending broadening wedge, right? So if you don't know what the hell that really is, I'm actually gonna do Google for you. That it looks something like this. Let me remove all the drawings right now, and let's talk about the right angle descending. Is it descending broadening wedge? Oh my goodness, yeah. I think right angle descending broadening wedge, something like this. Okay, and that's actually a bullish pattern. So let's go to Google, and you guys can learn all of this in my trading course as well. So do check out, the link is in the description of the video. Now let's bring in the right angle descending broadening wedge, something like this. I do hope this one, yeah, something like this. You can already see that one. So this is how the image looks like. It's an absolutely a straight line, and then you have the descending support right there. The prices are descending. So number one, that's how you just did everything. You printed the straight line at the moment, and then the descending, some sort of a descending price action right there. Okay, and the technical target goes from there to there, and we're looking for Cardano to basically come up here to 5724. Now do keep a stop loss down. If it actually comes again to this level, which is going to be 5048, then you're actually not successfully retesting this falling right angle descending broadening wedge, and you actually can come a little bit down again to 44, something like this, and then move up finally and break it out, and then actually go even higher. And that's it for this video. I've already done the altcoin party. Hope you enjoyed all these updates, and do join our Discord, check the trading course, do comment the coin that you want me to do in the video as well. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.